Computer vacuums, keyboard vacuum cleaner, blower, home office duster, car cleaner, cordless, USB rechargeable office duster, gap carpet cleaning, 4.0 kPa Obsorb and Blow Upgrade Suction, silver gray. 2-function vacuum cleaner / cleaner blower. It could be used both as a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner with the brush and a cleaner blower with the flat nozzle. The brush nozzle for absorbing dust in the carpet, cushion, air conditioner outlet, and the flat nozzle for blowing away dust to clear your sofa, desk dusty, gap cleaning and car cleaning. Battery status. The portable vacuum cleaner adopts 2000 mAh2 high-capacity lithium-ion batteries working around 50 minutes. The red light flashes as in charging status. Updated grate suction. 4.0 kPa updated grate suction to absorb the dust in the office, car, keyboard, even the narrow gaps. Filter detachable. The filter is removable and washable, both water cleaning and natural dry to cycle use. Fast and safe USB charging system. The cordless vacuum can be fully charged 4 hours. USB charging port design. To ensure safety of the equipment during charging, the vacuum cleaner is designed with multiple protections: short circuit protection, temperature protection, input voltage protection and input current protection.